Hi team, how you going? Scott Wilson here from Digital Influence. Hey, we've come to the last video in the one-page marketing map. I'm excited about this one. This one is called the after phase. I really want to deliver some really cool value here for you, and I want you to take some action at the end of this video as well. So the 3 R's, these are really important. And look, when I start looking at how you really make a good simplified marketing system, this was one of the things I think that not a lot of people are doing, and it's one of the things that you really need to do these days, because it's so competitive out there in the marketplace, and because it is so and I think a lot of people, if you don't tell people what you're doing for them, they don't understand and they don't know. So the first one is it's all about results, right? When you're working with clients and you're selling stuff, and people are looking to solve that problem and they want that result, right? So the first R is results, and you've got to record those results. You've got to be recording what you're doing for people and how you're helping them. It's not enough these days to think you've just done a good job. You actually have to be recording and how you're helping them. And if there's more than one business partner or more than one person in the transaction, and maybe a mother and a father or whatever, you need to be making sure everyone knows what you're doing. So recording what you're doing, then reporting what you're doing. This is a massive one. You need to be reporting back what you're doing and letting people know what you've been doing them. So you've got those results, you've recorded them, now you need to be reporting them. This is one that's so important that you get these 3 R's, because I tell you what, this is where you're going to build your advocates and your promoters from. This is the type of stuff, if you do that, you're going to be able to let people know what you're doing. And there's some really great software that you can use, and hey, it's kind of specific to each individual's business, but let's have a conversation about that. Like, we use certain types of software that doesn't work for other industries, but we also use types of software that does. So more than happy to get on the phone and talk to you about that, because I think it's really important that you're using the 3 R's, the results, the recording and reporting. The next phase is transformational stories. Here's something I want you to understand and take away. Right now, you need to get known by the success of your clients. I'm afraid that the marketing and the way marketing is happening and what's going on in the world, no one cares or believes what you say. You need to get known by transformational stories. You need to get known by the success that your clients. So, things like this. Arjun Gill from Little India, they're a nationwide client of ours. Since working with Digital Influence, we've increased our engagement and following on our Facebook page. Plus, through the use of Facebook Messenger marketing, we've built a list of customers of our weekly Catch a Curry deal. We've gone from a messenger database from basically 0 to over 2,700 people and growing every week. That's a real transformation, as you can see. They are they've gone from nothing to 2,720 odd people. And this is growing and growing. This is the kind of story you need to be telling. Once I was lost, but now I'm found. It's transformational. You need to be telling these stories. Here's another one. We've got Carter's Tires. Digital Influencers help Carter's Tires go from no online presence to a strong, engaged following on Facebook. They've also built a database of us for over 9,500 people through their Facebook Messenger marketing strategy. The best part is they come up with ideas to our market business nationally, and then just implement it. Report back with results that we feel are value for money. Once again, this is a transformational, gone from nothing to growth. These are the types of stories you need to be telling. You need to be creating them in your business. You create systems to actually do this. This is part of that one-page marketing map, where you need to create those systems that you get these testimonies in your business, because if you don't, no one is going to believe what you're saying. You need to be known by the success of your clients. This is so important, and I hope you're hearing that in my voice. Next is you want to build community. There's so many tools to build community. I'm not going to go into that in this detail in this video, but there's so many tools that you can use to build community. Even on Facebook alone, there's so many free tools you can use to build community. If you're not building community, you need to be, because you need to build a predictable marketing system. You've heard me say this again and again and again. You need to simplify your marketing so your business can grow, and you need to make it predictable. So if you want help to do that, here's my last offer. I'm offering you a strategy call. It's free. You can meet with me for 20 minutes. I don't know how long I'll be doing these calls. I've got a team that can do these calls and more than capable of doing these calls. But right now, I'm doing these calls. So if you want one, go to this time. Book a time that suits you, a day that suits you. Book in a time. Let's have a chat, and we can get on the phone and discuss your one-page marketing map and how you can grow your business. Look forward to chatting to you. Have fun, have a great day, and best of all, take some action.